Hello, what is your name? Favor. So, what platoon are you? So, this is the voice of the plumber, and we want to ask you a few questions about your plumbing experience in camp. So, in terms of the plumbing experience, in terms of other people's health and how you take part in the camp activities, how is the plumbing there? What do you have to tell people about the bathroom there? Is it neat? Is it dirty? So that other people will be safe in terms of infection. So, what do you have to say? Okay. Okay. So what do you have to take NYC officials? Is the bathroom is it the toilet sanitary there? Is it the time they change the sanitary? Okay. All right. Thanks for your time. Yeah.